Hello friends, today I show you how can you get your bank statement DBS and POSB bank statement. Within 5 minutes you can get your bank statement on mobile, very easy. So let's see. Okay friends, so first you open your POSB Digibank, or if you have DBS account, so DBS Digibank. After you log in your Digibank, I already have Digibank internet banking. If you know have internet banking, you must need to first activate your internet banking. Open iBanking account very easy. Just go to POSB or DBS website and register your iBanking account. So friends, my Digibank open ready. So you can see here all option have top up, overseas transfer, bill payment limit, currency converter, e-statement, local transfer limit, set peak balance, transaction history, transfer money, pay bills. I need to open e-statement. Here you can see last 2 month statement. Can see, just simply click here. So friend, when you click the statement, just like this interface open ready, you can see left side have my address, and down side all detail have withdraw or deposit. So friends, this page have your bank statement paper. So anywhere you want use, just take this paper screenshot and you can use anywhere. First I rotating my phone screen because this full page cannot see. Okay friends, so you can see here have full page can see. This page you take picture screenshot, then you select this one page, or this one page your address and all withdraw or deposit, everything can see clearly, because if no clear then you cannot use. So must check first this picture have clear or not. So anywhere you need to submit your bank statement, so this full page need to show there. So friends, now I save ready this detail. So next I show you if you want past any month bank statement also you can get. So you simply click here. Okay, now you can see here have select the month. So first I select month, click here. I select to November, October, yeah, I select to October, and October to November. Friends, I select month ready, so simply click show statement. Okay friends, so you can see here November and October. So any past statement you need, you can get. Just select month and you can get the statement. Mostly anywhere bank statement only use last 1 or 2 month. So friends, this interface open ready. So here all your details, your address or your all your transaction about withdraw, deposit, or you transfer money anywhere, so all detail here have. So anywhere you need, so this full paper you submit. So this is a bank statement. When you take a screenshot, check first your address and all detail can see the clearly. Friends, this is full paper have a bank statement, so anywhere can you use. So thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe this channel. Thanks.